Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is Chakkakuru Erissery, the delicious recipe with jackfruit seed. Erissery is a perfect example of the simplicity of traditional Kerala cooking. Let's start with the recipe. Take few jackfruit seeds. Peel the outer hard skin. If it's difficult to peel the skin, crush the jackfruit seed. So that the skin comes out easily. Rinse them nicely and cut them into small pieces. Transfer the jackfruit seed pieces into pressure cooker. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of salt. Add enough water. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Pressure cook it in medium flame. Once the jackfruit seed is cooked and pressure goes off, let's check the jackfruit seed is cooked well. Now let's prepare gravy. For gravy you need half cup of coconut, 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, peel the skin of garlic cloves, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Transfer all the ingredients to a mixer jar. Add enough water and grind it into smooth paste. Now the gravy is ready. Add the grounded paste to cook jackfruit seeds. Jackfruit seed is rich in dietary fiber and B complex vitamins. They help lower the risk of heart disease, prevent constipation and controls blood sugar. Add enough water and adjust the consistency. Stir it. Add half teaspoon of salt. Cook it in low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Jackfruit seed masala curry also tastes good. Check out the description box below for the recipe. For tempering, heat a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, few mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add dry red chilies, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 1 to 2 teaspoons of roasted coconut. Stir it. Cook it for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Cook it in low flame. Now transfer the tempering to the curry. The tasty Chakkakuru Erissery is ready to serve. Try out this recipe friends. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's Cookbook for more recipes.